A draw wire is a wire left by the electrician that's used to pull other wires through the wall. In our case, we use them to pull cold tails of the heating element wire to the flush box where our thermostat will be fixed. Because our cold tail ends of the wire are thick, we need to chisel out part of the wall to create a small hole where the electrician has left the draw wire. The floor will also need to be chiseled at the entrance where the wires will be. This ensures we leave a flat surface for the tilers. We also chisel out a square where the probes will sit because they do have a bit of extra height to them. Once our probe and heating wires are connected, we twist the cold end of the wires to the draw wire. Then tape together for security. Sometimes if this step is skipped, the wires can lose connection in the wall. If this happens and there's no spare draw wire, it can be very difficult to feed the wire back down to the entrance. Then we need to pull the draw wire up through the wall, detangling the wires as we go, making sure we don't pull the probes into the wall. It's very important that once the wires are through the thermostat flush box, that we tape down the probes and the wires at the entrance of the wall. This is to make sure they are secure and don't move once the self-leveling compound has been poured. Here we are using duct tape for extra strength as there's more wires in this section of the floor. Then any excess wires are cut and remaining wires are taped together so the contractors don't cut them by accident. The draw wire is a simple step but is crucial for our installers. Without it, we wouldn't be able to connect our Heatwell heating element wire to the thermostat. When you decide to install underfloor heating, you need to make sure your electrician knows the importance of leaving a draw wire for our team.